Dear civil engineers, welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. In this lecture, I'm just going to show that how we'll create foundation detailing by using Revit extension. Okay, so in your previous lecture, you can see here, I have just shown you that how we'll create the detailing by using default option of our software. But in this lecture, I'm just going to show that how we'll use extension, and if you need that extension, you are able to download that extension from our description. I mean that link are given in description. So first of all, I'll just go structural template. Okay, and before starting, if you're new to our channel, then you can subscribe to our channel if you're a civil engineer, and also if you like my all lecture, if you love me, then also you can join in our channel to support me, okay, by taking a membership, and it will be very helpful for me, and also you will be able to get many features from us. So first of all, I will simply come here a structure, and here I will create a column, and from here I will take any column from here. So 12 into 18 or 18 into 24, it's okay, and I'll just come here and I'll little bit zoom it, okay, and I'll paste it here, then skip. Okay, sorry, I'll just press Ctrl Z, and again I'll just come here for in structural columns, and from here I'll select that, and you have to do something. At which level you want to create your columns, you have to click here level 1. From level 1 to level 2 I'll create that, okay, and again I'll just come here. From here, where is our starting point to end point, depth to height, okay, and from here level on to, or you can consider that what will be the value from depth to height, so depth to height, and what will be the height till level 2, and here I'll randomly create a columns. Then I'll click escape, okay, and I'll click escape. After that, you can see now it in 3D view. So to see in 3D view, just go here, view, then 3D view. Just see there is a 3D view. Okay, now I'll just again go level 1, and I'll go structure, then foundation, okay, isolated. So I'll click here, and from here I will select any of it, because if you need to change that, then you are able to do that by clicking here edit, because already in our previous lecture I have shown you about that. So where we'll take our foundation level 1, and what will be the offset? What will be the offset? 0 feet, okay. And here most important thing, what will be the clear cover? What will be the clear cover? So here 3 inch, cast against earth 3 inch, and also 3 inch, clear. After that, come here and take the middle point of it and simply create your foundation. After that, skip. If you need to move that by clicking here, double click, or so I'll just come here, project in a level 1, okay. So here you'll be able to see that, and if you need to 3D view, just see here is your 3D view for our foundation and column also. Now I'll just go level 1, and here we'll start creating our foundation. So to create a start foundation, I'll just select that one, and also you can go in 3D view here like that, and after that you can click here to see this shaded view like that, okay. So what we'll do, I'll just wireframe, and from here you can change that value as per your requirement. Okay, I'll consider first time medium. Now I'll select that one, and I'll just go here extension, then reinforcement, and here aspect footing. Okay, aspect footing, you can click here. So I'll just click here and wait for some time. Just see. Now here's the wall data. I hope you will understand about that. And here wall data are saying what we have defined. Now first of all, I'll just go here bottom river. What will be the bottom river actually? Number of bottom river. So I'll consider our bottom river will be number 5, and also in transverse direction also number 5. And here cast against earth 3 inch. It's okay. And from here hook. Is there have any hook or anything? Yes, 90-degree hook, and also in that side 90-degree hook. And S1, what about the, you can see here every value. So here is the S1 and is the SL, and here is the SL. So what will be the spacing? I'll consider for our longitudinal bar. For our longitudinal bar, the spacing will be 5 inch. Okay, 5 inch. And here C1, what will the value of that C1? I'll consider the value of C1 will be also 3 inch. 3 inch, and that side also 3 inch. The cover. Okay, now it's okay. And after that, what will be the spacing in that direction? So I'll consider 6 inch. Okay, I'll consider 6 inch spacing. Okay, now for top river, if you have top reinforcement, then you can provide here top reinforcement, otherwise uncheck here. So I'm not considering that I have top reinforcement, and if you have top reinforcement, that the bottom reinforcement and top reinforcement is providing are same. So I'll just go in dual. So if you consider that if you have dual reinforcement, then you can take here, otherwise uncheck. Okay, so if you have dual reinforcement, they have some case in which direction, I mean in which way you are able to provide your dual reinforcement. Okay, so I will consider our dual reinforcement is also 5, and here 5. What will be the 5? You can provide here the value of 5. Okay, now at the hook top, if they have any hook in top, okay, they have no hook in top, I'll not consider any hook in top, but in bottom I'll consider 90-degree hook. Okay, otherwise you can consider that none. Then number of bar 10b. Okay, number of bar, how much number of bar you want to provide in that direction? So I'll provide 2. Consider I'll provide 2. And n1, and what will be the value of n1? So you can see here what will be the value of n1. Okay, now anchor length. What will be the anchor length? You can provide here as per your requirement. Then in footing, in column, what will be the anchor length, and in footing you can provide here. Okay, I'll provide 3 bar in NL direction. Okay, now I'll just go stirrup. So if you want to provide stirrup of footing pair, if they have any requirement of stirrup in footing pair, then you can provide here, otherwise uncheck. And after that, here the value of C, then number of bar, always number 3 bar, and phi, you can provide here the value of phi. Okay, and what will be the tie or strap hook? 135, and here the spacing, what will be the spacing? Some consider that is 4 inch. Okay, so when everything is okay, simply click OK and wait for some time. It's generating reinforcement. Okay, just see how clearly it's have created. So first of all, I'll select that. Okay, and also I'll select that. I'll skip, so I'll select that, and also by pressing Ctrl I'll select that. Okay, also by pressing Ctrl. Okay, I'll do it later. So first of all, I'll just go here visibility and show 3D view. Click in that 2, then okay, right? So after that, come here and give a fine. Just see here, it's showing reinforcement visibility. Similarly, just select that dual bar by pressing shift. To select that, we can use like that. So by pressing Ctrl, now select all of that like that. I hope we have selected all of our value. Now I'll just go here visibility, and similarly take that 2 and press OK. Now come here. I hope all are okay. Similarly for stirrup, I'll just move it here, and I will select stirrup actually because it's not visible perfectly. So now it's okay. I'll escape, and after that I'll select that, and by pressing Ctrl I'll select that, and I'll just go here visibility system and press OK. So I hope it's done. Now if you want to see that in 3D view, so in realistic view, if you want to see in realistic view, just see here is a realistic view of our reinforcement. Realistic view of our reinforcement, how perfectly it's showing, right? How perfectly it's showing. Now if I just go in level 1, and if we create some section, okay, so now we'll take some section. I'll just go view, and from here section, okay, and I mean anywhere you can take section. I'll take section here, that point to that point, okay, and I'll take another section, view, then section from that point to that point. Clear? Then skip. Now if you just go here, section 1, and by clicking here, or avoid, sorry, by clicking here, so here like that, you're able to watch the section here like that. You're able to watch the section, right? Similarly, for section 2, just come here like that and just see, that is the another section. So I hope you have understand that how we are able to find out its detailing, and in our next lecture I'll show you that how we'll create schedule and quantities for it. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video. And if you really like our video, and if you think that that's helpful for you, then subscribe to our channel. And also if you like me, and also if you want to support me, then join as a member in our channel. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.